Hello everyone, a very good morning to one and all. Today we are drawing a painting with real leaves and flowers and making beauty out of garbage. Firstly, we made a tree with crushed leaves. On a white background, a greeting card, stick a brown color tree shape on it and take some groundnut shells and stick them as you like and paint them with green and yellow color. Now using two cardboard pieces and modeling clay, we are making two ice cream cones as shown. So on the top as shown and give them toppings as you like. Take a tool and dip in the red color and make as shown the flowers and give green lines and leaves for the flowers. Stick a paper glass and give it a bow. Next, make a yellow color paper like shown in the shape and cut a green color paper by folding as shown and cut the paper according to the line drawn on the stick. So, on the top as shown, take a small paper pieces by folding and sticking like as this. Now take a photo frame length cardboard with a wooden color on the middle and paste transparent tape on backside and stick different flowers onto it as you like. Next, we are making a Barbie girl. Take a dried leaf, cut it as shown and make a face part should be shown and stick pencil wastage like a flowy gown to the Barbie girl and give a bow in the middle. Magic! Angel is ready! Take some small flowers with neat alignment, place them in a book. Next, close the book and leave it. Next, soak some tissues in water and grind it well and mix it in water thoroughly. Take a net type cloth with a clip to it and filter the mixture from the bowl. Now place the flower previously stored in a book on that and write with the help of hand pan. We got beautiful arts in different ways. Next, fold a brown color paper as shown and stick it to a paper and draw lines from the brown sheet to the white sheet and with the green sketch and make rounds on both sides with modeling clay as shown and give it a bow. Take a yellow color background shade, draw freehand line as like and make flower shapes with the clay and stick them on card and now give red color points on very thin tissue papers and fold them as shown and give them as a bow as shown by giving lines and leaves as finishings we done. On a dark background, we are making two ice cream shapes and pull two lines with cardboard cuttings and make another ice cream fruit and give finishings as toppings. Sticking different colors and leaves on a sticky glass, we can make unique style gifting cards like these. Now take modeling clay and mold it like flowers with different colors and make them as flower bunch in glittering sheets folding and we are exactly presenting as a classy flower bouquet. Hope you all like the video. See you soon.